Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello and welcome to our Slow English Conversation series. Today, we are at a coffee shop planning a trip. Listen carefully to how we discuss options and make a final decision. Let's begin.
Hey, Sarah, have you thought about what we should do this weekend?
Actually, I have been thinking about it all morning. I really need a break from the city.
I completely agree. The noise and the traffic have been terrible lately. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking about going to the beach. The weather is supposed to be sunny.
The beach sounds nice, but won't it be very crowded? Everyone goes to the beach when it is sunny.
That is a good point. I do not want to be around too many people. I want peace and quiet.
How about the mountains? We could rent a cabin near the lake. It is usually much quieter there.
Oh, I love that idea. The air is so fresh in the mountains. Is it far from here?
It is not too far. It's about a 3-hour drive. Is that okay with you?
3 hours is perfect. We can leave on Friday afternoon and come back Sunday evening.
Exactly. We can spend the days hiking and the evenings reading by the fire.
That sounds lovely. Do you know if there are any cabins available?
I am not sure yet. I need to check the booking website. Do you have a budget in mind?
I would like to keep it affordable, maybe under $200 a night.
That's reasonable. I'm sure we can find something nice for that price.
Great. Please look for something with a view of the lake if possible.
I will do my best. A lake view would be amazing for morning coffee.
So are we decided? The mountains instead of the beach, right?
Yes, the decision is made. I'll start looking for a place right now.
Thank you, Mark. I'm already feeling more relaxed just talking about it.
You are welcome. It's going to be a great weekend.
Let me know what you find. I'll look at hiking trails.
Sounds like a plan. I'll text you the links in a few minutes.
In this conversation, we used phrases to make suggestions and agree on a plan. Notice how we used "how about" to offer a new idea, and "that is a good point" to agree. In the next video, we will discuss how to travel there. See you soon. Welcome back. Now that we have chosen the mountains, we need to figure out how to get there. Pay attention to how we compare different types of transportation.
So, Sarah, we need to decide how we are getting to the cabin.
Right, I was assuming we would drive, but my car's in the repair shop.
Oh, I didn't know that. Well, my car is too small for all our luggage.
We could take the train. There's a station near the lake.
The train is very relaxing, but it is also quite expensive.
That is true. Also, once we get to the station, how do we get to the cabin?
We would have to take a taxi. That adds more cost and more hassle.
It seems like driving is the best option. Should we rent a car?
Renting a car sounds like a smart idea. It gives us more freedom.
Exactly. If we have a car, we can stop for food whenever we want.
And we can bring as much food and gear as we need.
Do you know any good rental companies nearby?
Yes, there is one just 2 blocks from here. They have good rates on weekends.
Perfect. Should we get a small car or an SUV?
An SUV would be safer for the mountain roads, but a compact car is cheaper.
The roads are paved, so I think a compact car will be fine.
I agree. Plus, a smaller car is easier to park.
Okay, so the plan is to rent a compact car for 3 days.
Correct. I can make the reservation online tonight.
That would be very helpful. Can you put me as the second driver?
Of course. We can take turns driving so no one gets tired.
You're the best. I feel much better having transportation sorted out.
No problem at all. Now we just need to confirm the accommodation.
Here, we compared the train and the car. We used words like relaxing, expensive, and safer. Comparing options is very important in English. Next, we will choose the exact cabin where we will stay. Hello again. We have a destination and a car. Now we must choose a specific place to sleep. Listen to how we describe the features of the cabins and make a final choice.
Okay, Sarah. I found 3 good options for cabins on the website.
Oh, excellent. Show me what you found.
The first one is called the Pine Retreat. It is very modern and has a hot tub.
A hot tub sounds incredible, but what is the price?
It is $250 a night. It is a bit over our budget.
That is too expensive for just a weekend. What is the second option?
The second one is Lakeside Cottage. It is right on the water and very cheap.
Being on the water is nice. Why is it so cheap?
Well, the reviews say it is very small and the heating is old.
I do not want to be cold at night. I prefer comfort over saving money.
I understand. Okay, here is the third option, the Forest Cabin.
Tell me about the forest cabin.
It has a large stone fireplace, a full kitchen, and a nice porch.
A full kitchen is great. We can cook our own meals.
Exactly, and the price is $180. It fits our budget.
Does it have good reviews?
Yes, it has 5 stars. People say it is very clean and cozy.
I think that's the winner. I love the idea of a fireplace.
Me too. It feels like the perfect balance of comfort and price.
Can you book it now before someone else takes it?
I'm clicking reserve right now. Okay, it's confirmed.
Wonderful. Now we have a place to stay.
The hard part is done. Now we can think about fun things, like food.
In this lesson, we practiced making a choice based on features like price, location, and comfort. We used phrases like, "It fits our budget," and "I prefer comfort." Next, we'll make a grocery list for the trip. We have the cabin and the car. Since the cabin has a kitchen, we need to buy groceries. Listen to how we use quantifiers like a bottle of, some, and a bag of to create a shopping list.
Okay, we have a kitchen, so we should cook breakfast and dinner.
I agree. Cooking is fun and it saves money. What should we have for breakfast?
How about pancakes? Everyone loves pancakes on vacation.
Yum! Okay, so we need a box of pancake mix and a bottle of syrup.
We also need some butter and a carton of milk for the mix.
Good catch. And I cannot start my day without coffee.
Right, we need a bag of ground coffee and some sugar.
Now, what about dinner? We will be there for 2 nights.
For the first night, let's make pasta. It's easy after a long drive.
Okay, we need a package of spaghetti and a jar of tomato sauce.
And maybe some garlic bread to go with it?
Definitely. For the second night, should we grill burgers?
Yes, I will buy a pound of ground beef and a package of buns.
Don't forget the cheese and some lettuce for toppings.
Got it. What about snacks for the hiking trails?
We should get some apples, bananas, and a few granola bars.
And plenty of water. We need a large case of water bottles.
Is that everything? It feels like a lot of food.
It's better to have too much than too little.
You are right. I will write this all down in a text message to you.
Perfect. We can stop at the supermarket on the way out of town.
We practiced using specific words to count food, like a carton of, a jar of, and a pound of. These are very common in English grocery shopping. In the final part of our series, we will pack our bag. Welcome to the final part of our series. The trip is planned, the food is listed, and now we must pack. Listen to how we discuss the weather and necessary items to bring.
Sarah, did you check the weather forecast for the mountains?
Yes, I checked it this morning. It will be sunny but chilly.
How cold will it get at night?
It might drop to 10 degrees. We need to pack warm clothes.
I will bring my heavy jacket and a few thick sweaters.
Good idea. I am going to bring my wool scarf and gloves, just in case.
Do we need hiking boots or are sneakers okay?
If we want to hike the difficult trails, we should wear boots.
Okay, I will clean my hiking boots tonight. They are very dusty.
Don't forget to pack toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo.
I have a small travel kit already packed. I am ready.
What about electronics? Are you bringing your camera?
Absolutely. I want to take photos of the lake at sunset.
Make sure to bring the charger and an extra battery.
I won't forget. Should we bring a first aid kit?
Yes, that is very smart. We might need Band-Aids for blisters.
I think that covers everything. Clothes, food list, gear, and safety.
I am so excited. I really need this vacation.
It's going to be perfect. We leave tomorrow morning at 8.
I will be ready. Thanks for helping me plan everything, Mark.
My pleasure. I will see you bright and early tomorrow.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. We planned a full trip from the idea to the packing. We hope these conversations help you feel more confident speaking English. Practice these phrases and have a wonderful week.